I love basketball. The friendships I've made and the life lessons this game has taught me are priceless. And because I love basketball, I respect it. I follow its rules, including the rules about uniforms. If I don't, I'm not allowed to play in the game. So let's give a crazy example. What if I didn't like my team's uniform and wanted to wear something else, like a suit? I mean, look at that. I look sharp. A suit is an upgrade, right? And suits are wonderful in the right time and the right place. But what would that decision to wear a suit instead of my basketball uniform say about me? It would say that I believe in me before we. It would show a lot of disrespect for my teammates because those uniforms are a symbol. They tell everyone that that person wearing the uniform has earned a spot on the team. They've made and kept promises and sacrificed for each other. That jersey identifies me. It says, I'm a patriot. I stand for something. I represent my team and my school. And what I wear on the outside says a lot about me on the inside. So when I choose to put that uniform on, it actually makes me better. The uniform focuses my mind. Once that uniform is on, it's time to forget about outside distractions and focus 100% on what we've learned, the techniques, the plays, and what I can do to help my team win. A unified team is so powerful. I hope you see the connection to our school uniform, because we wear our school uniforms for the same reasons our sports teams wear their uniforms. You've made the team here at American Heritage, and we're so glad you did. The uniform is a sign of our commitments to each other and our values. It shouldn't distract from those things. Because together, as a team, here at American Heritage School, we can lift each other to do more than we ever thought was possible.